Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Bindass Botany. Today I am going to discuss the most important MCQ on photosynthesis, that is factor affecting photosynthesis. This MCQ will help those who have prepared for different type of competitive examination like SSB PGT, OPSC PGT and Cpet, CUET and other competitive examination. Let's begin. Question number 1. Rate of photosynthesis is option A equal to that of respiration, option B less than that of respiration, option C depend upon chlorophyll content, option D faster than that of respiration. Correct answer is option D faster than that of respiration. The next question number 2. The rate of photosynthesis is higher in option A very high light, option B continuous light, option C red light, option D green light. Correct answer is option C red light. The next question number 3. Chlorophyll A absorb maximum of option A red light, option B blue light, option C green light, option D yellow light. Correct answer is option B blue light. The next question number 4. Rate of photosynthesis is independent of option A quality of light, option B duration of light, option C intensity of light, option D none of this. Correct answer is option D none of this. The next question number 5. The rate of photosynthesis depend upon the option A quality of light, option B quantity of light, option C quality and quantity of light, option D none of this. Correct answer is option C quality and quantity of light. The next question number 6. Factor that affect the rate of photosynthesis in plants are depend on the option A genetic predisposition, option B external factor, option C growth of the plant, option D more than one option is correct. Correct answer is option D more than one option is correct. The next question number 7. Photosynthesis is most active in option A green light, option B red light, option C yellow light, option D sunlight. Correct answer is option D sunlight. The next question number 8. In a photosynthesis experiment, plant growth could be best when exposed to option A yellow and orange light, option B blue and green light, option C red and blue light, option D green light. Correct answer is option C red and blue light. The next question number 9. Photosynthesis is maximum in option A green light, option B blue followed by red light, option C red followed by blue light, option D blue light. Correct answer is option C red followed by blue light. The next question number 10. Rate of photosynthesis is higher in option A red light, option B blue light, option C green light, option D white light. Correct answer is option D white light. The next question number 11. Rate of photosynthesis is greater in option A UV light, option B infrared light, option C intermittent light, option D continuous light. Correct answer is option C intermittent light. The next question number 12. Photosynthesis takes place in option A only in sunlight, option B only in yellow light, option C in the visible light obtained from any source, option D only in very high intensity of light. Correct answer is option C in the visible light obtained from any source. The next question number 13. The rate of photosynthesis decline in the presence of red light and is increased to normal level when red light is supplied supplement with option A far red light, option B orange light, option C blue light, option D ultraviolet light. Correct answer is option C blue light. The next question number 14. Which of the following conditions are favorable for cyclic photophosphorylation? Option A anaerobic condition, option B aerobic and optimum light, option C aerobic and low light intensity, option D anaerobic and low light intensity. Correct answer is option D anaerobic and low light intensity. The next question number 15. Which factor not limiting in normal condition for photosynthesis? Option A light, option B carbon dioxide, option C water, option D chlorophyll. Correct answer is option D chlorophyll. The next question number 16. There are certain factors that affect the rate of photosynthesis in plant. Such factor does not include option A quality of light, option B intensity of light, option C carbon dioxide, option D atmospheric humidity. Correct answer is option D atmospheric humidity. The next question number 17. The factor which is not limiting in normal conditions for photosynthesis is option A water, option B chlorophyll B, option C light, option D carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option B chlorophyll B. The next question number 18. Main factor which limit the rate of photosynthesis on a clear day is option A chlorophyll, option B light, option C carbon dioxide, option B water. Correct answer is option C carbon dioxide. The next question number 19. Which of the following is not required in the synthesis of carbohydrate? Option A carbon dioxide, option B chlorophyll, option C nitrogen, option D water. Correct answer is option C nitrogen. The next question number 20. If the range of daylight of a bright sunny day is increased, the rate of photosynthesis is option A increases, option B decreases, option C remain unchanged, option D cannot be predicted. Correct answer is option C remain unchanged. The next question number 21. Which one of the following would not be a limiting factor for photosynthesis? Option A oxygen, option B light, option C carbon dioxide, option D chlorophyll. Correct answer is option A oxygen. The next question number 22. Photosynthetically active radiation, that is PAR, represent the following range of wavelength. Option A 400 to 700 nm, option B 500 to 600 nm, option C 450 to 950 nm, option D 340 to 450 nm. Correct answer is option A 400 to 700 nm. The next question number 23. What is the percentage of photosynthetically active radiation in the incident solar radiation? Option A 1, option B 0.5, option C 1 to 5, option D 2 to 10%. Correct answer is option B 0.5%. The next question number 24. Percentage of photosynthetically active radiation per in the incident solar radiation is option A 1 to 5%, option B 2 to 10%, option C less than 50%, option D approximately 100%. Correct answer is option C less than 50%. The next question number 25. Percentage of photosynthetically active radiation utilized in NPP is option A 1 to 5, option B 2 to 10, option C 0.8 to 4, option D 1.6 to 8. Correct answer is option D 1.6 to 8. The next question number 26. Percentage of photosynthetically active radiation that is captured by plant in synthesis of organic matter is option A 50 to 70%, option B 30 to 40%, option C 80 to 100%, option D 2 to 10%. Correct answer is option D 2 to 10%. The next question number 27. The limiting step in the photosynthesis is the rate of option A oxygen evolution, option B light reaction, option C dark reaction, option D carbon dioxide diffusion to photosynthetic site. Option D is the correct answer. The next question number 28. Q10 is defined as option A temperature coefficient, option B scale of light quality, option C respiratory coefficient, option D constant quantum equation. Correct answer is option A temperature coefficient. The next question number 29. For an enzyme controlled reaction, Q10 is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct answer is option B 2. The next question number 30. The quantum yield in photosynthesis is option A 80%, option B 12%, option C 25%, option D 50%. Correct answer is option A 8%. The next question number 31. How many quanta are required to reduce one molecule of carbon dioxide and produce one molecule of oxygen in green plant photosynthesis? Option A 2 quanta, option B 8 quanta, option C 16 quanta, option D innumerable quanta. Correct answer is option B 8 quanta. The next question number 32. Starch is detected in food by its option A blue reaction with iodine solution, option B granular form even if cooked, option C pressure presence of an energy store, option D white appearance. Correct answer is option A blue reaction with iodine solution. The next question number 33. During daytime, the ratio of carbon dioxide produced to that of carbon dioxide consumed is option A 1 is to 1, option B 1 is to 5, option C 1 is to 10, option D 1 is to 50. Correct answer is option C 1 is to 10. The next question number 34. During daylight hour, the rate of photosynthesis is higher than that of the respiration. and the ratio of oxygen produced to that of the consumed is option A 10 is to 1, option B 5 is to 1, option C 1 is to 1, option D 50 is to 1. Correct answer is option A 10 is to 1. The next question number 35. The wavelength of infrared light of a spectrum is option A 6,600 angstrom, option B 7,300 angstrom, option C less than 7,300 angstrom, option D more than 7,300 angstrom. Correct answer is option D more than 7,300 angstrom. The next question number 36 is the process of photosynthesis takes place in option A root only, option B shoot only, option C all the cell of the plant, option D chlorophyll containing cell only. Correct answer is option D chlorophyll containing cell only. The next question number 37. Dichlorophenyl dimethylurea, that is DCMU, also called diuron, a potent herbicide, stop option A oxygen evolution, option B non-cyclic phosphorylation, option C both A and B, option D oxidative photophosphorylation. Correct answer is option C both A and B, that is oxygen evolution and non-cyclic phosphorylation. The next question number 38. DCMU inhibit option A inhibit PS1, option B inhibit PS2, option C destroy chloroplast, option D inhibit oxidative photophosphorylation. Correct answer is option B inhibit PS2. The next question number 39. DCMU a herbicide. Option A inhibit oxygen release in light phase. Option B stimulate oxygen release in light phase. Option C inhibit carbon dioxide assimilation in dark phase. Option D stimulate carbon dioxide assimilation in dark phase. Correct answer is option A inhibit oxygen release in light phase. The next question number 40. Compensation point is option A, where there is neither photosynthesis nor respiration. Option B, when rate of photosynthesis is equal to the rate of respiration. Option C, when entire food synthesized into photosynthesis remain utilized. Option D, when there is enough water just to meet the requirement of plant. Correct answer is option B, when rate of photosynthesis is equal to rate of respiration. The next question number 41. Compensation point is option A, where there is neither photosynthesis nor respiration. Option B, when there is enough water just to meet the requirement of plant. Option C, when there is enough water just to meet the requirement of plant. Option D, when the entire food synthesized in photosynthesis remain unutilized. Correct answer is option B, when there is enough water just to meet the requirement of plants. The next question number 42. Plants with a high light compensation point are option A C3 plant, option B sun plant, option C shade plant, option D mesophyte. Correct answer is option B sun plants. The next question number 43. Carbon dioxide compensation point of a C3 plant is option A 50 to 100 ppm, option B 0 to 10 ppm, option C 300 ppm, option D none of these. Correct answer is option A 50 to 100 ppm. The next question number 44. High carbon dioxide compensation point is found in option A C3 plant, option B C4 plant, option C CM plant, option D lichen. Correct answer is option A C3 plant. The next question number 45. Which one of the following have high carbon dioxide compensation point? Option A C2 plant, option B C3 plant, option C C4 plant, option D alpine herb. Correct answer is option B C3 plant. The next question number 46 is light compensation point is mostly option A 2% of maximum sunlight, option B 15% of maximum sunlight, option C 0.5% of maximum sunlight, option D 10% of maximum sunlight. Correct answer is option A 2% of maximum sunlight. The next question number 47. In shade loving plants, their light compensation point is reached at low irradiance because option A leaves have more chlorophyll, option B these plants have greatly reduced respiration rate, option C shade plant is capable of much lower rate of photosynthesis than sun plant, option D shade loving plants synthesize the pigment such as anthocyanin to promote photosynthesis. Correct answer is option A leaves have more chlorophyll. The next question number 48. Choose the correct one for photorespiration that CO3 compensation point. Option A, photorespiration is common in a plant having high carbon dioxide compensation point. Option B, photorespiration is caused by high carbon dioxide and low oxygen. Option C, it is not affected by light, temperature, all of the above. Option D, all of the above. Option 1. Photorespiration is commonly in a plant having high carbon dioxide compensation point. The next question number 49. What will be the effect when very high intensity of light is supplied to a photosynthesis system? Option A. Process will increase. Option B. Process will decrease. Option C. Process will stop due to solarization. Option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option C. Process will stop due to solarization. The next question number 50. What will be the effect of intermittent light on photosynthesis? Option A, it will increase. Option B, it will decrease. Option C, will not be effect. Option D, process will stop. Correct answer is option A, it will increase photosynthesis. The next question number 51. In which of the following the rate of photosynthesis is decreased and is known as red drop? Option A, blue light. Option B, green light. Option C, red light more than 680 nm. Option D, red light less than 680 nm. Correct answer is option C, red light more than 680 nm. The next question number 52. Rate of photosynthesis is independent of option A, temperature. Option B, quality of light. Option C, duration of light. Option D, intensity of light. Correct answer is option C, duration of light. The next question number 53. Which of the following is the least effective in photosynthesis? Option A, green light. Option B, red light. Option C, sunlight. Option D, blue light. Correct answer is option A, green light. The next question number 54. Which of the following has more energy per photon of light? Option A, red light. Option B, blue light. Option C, UV light. Option D, infrared light. Correct answer is option C, UV light. The next question number 55. As compared to incident light, fluorescent light is of option A, higher wavelength. Option B, lower wavelength. Option C, equal wavelength. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, higher wavelength. The next question number 56. When NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate is added in small quantity in an experiment showing photosynthesis, what will be the effect on it? Option A, rate will be lowered. Option B, rate will be increased. Option C, rate will be normal. Option D, process will stop. Correct answer is option B, rate will be increased. The next question number 57. What is called Warburg's effect on photosynthesis? Option A, low rate of process due to oxygen supply. Option B, low rate of process due to carbon dioxide supply. Option C, both and B. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, low rate of process due to oxygen supply. The next question number 58. Photooxidation of chlorophyll is called option A, intensification. Option B, chlorosis. Option C, solarization. Option D, defoliation. Correct answer is option C, solarization. It is most important. The next question number 59. Rate of photosynthesis is independent of option A, quality of light. Option B, intensity of light. Option C, duration of light. Option D, temperature. Correct answer is option C, duration of light. The next question number 60. Main factor which limit the rate of photosynthesis on a clear day is option A, chlorophyll. Option B, light. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, water. Correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. The next question number 61. Which of the following would happen if the supply of oxygen is decreased to an illuminated wheat plant? Option A, its photosynthesis would decrease. Option B, its respiration would increase. Option C, its photosynthesis would increase. Option D, all the physiological process would stop. Correct answer is option C, its photosynthesis would increases. The next question number 62. When a photosynthetic plant is transferred to an atmosphere of enriched oxygen, its rate of option A, photosynthesis would increase. Option B, photosynthesis would decrease. Option C, respiration would decrease. Option D, osmosis would increase. Correct answer is option B, photosynthesis would decrease. The next question number 63. In nature, the photosynthesis should proceed up to the limit of option A, light. Option B, temperature. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, moisture and wind. Correct answer is option B, temperature. The next question number 64. Plants which can photosynthesize at a low temperature, that is up to 35 degrees Celsius, are option A, conifer. Option B, blue-green algae. Option C, xerophyte. Option D, tropical plants. Correct answer is option A, conifers. The next question number 65. The thylakoid are removed and kept in a culture medium containing carbon dioxide and water. If the setup is exposed to light, hexose sugar are not formed as the end product. The most appropriate reason for this will be that option A, carbon assimilation cannot take place. Option B, the pigment are not linked. Option C, enzyme are not available. Option D, the light trapping device is not functional. Correct answer is option C, enzyme are not available. The next question number 66, if half of the leaves of a plant are removed, the rate of photosynthesis will be option A, more and the photosynthetic yield will also be more. Option B, less and the photosynthetic yield will also be less. Option C, more but the photosynthetic will be less. Option D, less but the photosynthetic will be more. Correct answer is option C, more but the photosynthetic yield will be less. The next question number 67. A farmer provided extra hour of light to his crop field to increase option A, absorption of water by the plant and prevent drought. Option B, the rate of transpiration and to get rid of excess soil water. Option C, the rate of photosynthesis and obtain greater yield. Option D, the respiration of a plant for obtaining more energy. Correct answer is option C, the rate of photosynthesis and obtain greater yield. The next question number 68. In photosynthetic experiment, which plant would behave as a single chloroplast? Option A, Python sativum. Option B, bacterium. Option C, Olothrix. Option D, Chlorella pyrenoidesa. Correct answer is option D, Chlorella pyrenoidesa. The next question number 69. In dark reaction, which chemical compound enter into reaction again and again and is regenerated at the end? Option A, PGA. Option B, glucose. Option C, sucrose. Option D, ribulose biphosphate. Correct answer is option D, ribulose biphosphate. The next question number 70. The farmer of some countries fumigate their field with carbon dioxide gas during the daytime for option A, checking respiration. Option B, increasing respiration. Option C, increasing photosynthesis. Option D, checking transpiration. Correct answer is option C, increasing photosynthesis. The next question number 71. Algae float in water during daytime and sink during nighttime because option A, they become light due to consumption of food material in respiration. Option B, they become buoyant in light due to accumulation of oxygen bubbles released in the photosynthesis. Option C, they come up to enjoy sunshine. Option D, they lose weight at night. Correct answer is option B, they become buoyant in light due to accumulation of oxygen bubble released in photosynthesis. The next question number 72. The dry weight of green leaf will be option A, lesser in evening. Option B, greater in the afternoon. Option C, greater in morning. Option D, almost same throughout the whole day. Correct answer is option B, greater in the morning. Sorry, greater in the afternoon. The next question number 73. Carbon dioxide is formed in all the following except option A, burning of sugar. Option B, respiration in plant. Option C, photosynthesis by plants. Option D, on heating of limestone. Correct answer is option C, photosynthesis by plants. The next question number 74. Oxygen evolved in photosynthesis is option A, less than carbon dioxide consumed. Option B, more than carbon dioxide consumed. Option C, equal to carbon dioxide consumed. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option C, equal to carbon dioxide consumed. The next question number 75. Photosynthesis can take place even at a temperature as high as 55 degrees Celsius in option A, lichen. Option B, conifer. Option C, opuntia. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, opuntia. The next question number 76. Assimilatory number in a plant refers to option A, rate of carbon dioxide assimilated per unit per minute. Option B, rate of photosynthesis per chlorophyll unit. Option C, amount of assimilatory power produced in light reaction. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option B, rate of photosynthesis per chlorophyll unit. The next question number 77. Which of the following is not a internal plant factor regulating the photosynthesis? Option A, age of leaf. Option B, number of mesophyll cell. Option C, atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration. Option D, amount of chlorophyll. Correct answer is option C, atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration. The next question number 78. Which of the following is not an external factor influencing photosynthesis? Option A, carbon dioxide concentration. Option B, sunlight. Option C, availability of water. Option D, chlorophyll concentration. Option E, temperature. Correct answer is option D, chlorophyll concentration. The next question number 79. Internal factor affecting photosynthesis is or are option A number and size of leaf, option B age of leaf and orientation, option C internal carbon dioxide concentration and amount of chlorophyll, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. The next question number 80. The amount of carbon dioxide absorbed and oxygen released during photosynthesis are in equal volume was proved by option A. Engelmann, option B. Robert Mayer, option C. Priestley, option D. Boussingault. Correct answer is option D. Boussingault. The next question number 81. The number of oxygen molecule released per photon of light in photosynthesis is called as option A. Quantum requirement, option B. Quantum yield, option C. Photosynthetic yield, option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. Quantum yield. Quantum requirement means number of photon required to evolve one molecule of oxygen during photosynthesis. Quantum yield means number of oxygen released per photon absorbed. Quantum yield equal to 1 by quantum requirement is equal to 1 by 8. The next question number 82. Under condition of constant illumination, the compensation period for a whole aquarium would be of infinite length when option A, the biomass of animal equal to the biomass of plant. Option B, the respiratory exchange of the animal are equal to the photosynthetic exchange of the plant. Option C, the oxygen intake of the animal equal to oxygen output of the photosynthesis. Option D, the carbon dioxide output of the animal and plant equal to the photosynthetic intake of plant. Correct answer is option D, the carbon dioxide output of the animal and plant equal to the photosynthetic intake of the plant. The next question number 83. In many plants, an increase in oxygen concentration results in decrease of rate of photosynthesis. This phenomenon of inhibition of photosynthesis by oxygen is called as option A. Warburg's effect, option B. Gibbs effect, option C. McAllister and Meyer effect, option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option A. Warburg's effect. The next question number 84. Under saturating light condition, the concentration of atmospheric carbon dioxide at which rate of photosynthesis is equal to the rate of respiration is called as option A light compensation point, option B extinction point, option C carbon dioxide compensation point, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C carbon dioxide compensation point. The next question number 85. If the rate of translocation of food is slow, what will be the effect on photosynthesis? Option A it will increase, option B it will remain same, option C become double, option D it will decrease. Correct answer is option D it will decrease. The next question number 86. The law of limiting factor was enunciated by option A. A. Benson, option B. F. F. Blackman, option C. Both and B, option D. None of the above. Correct answer is option B. F. F. Blackman. The next question number 87. Blackman's law of limiting factor is applied to option A. Growth, option B. Respiration, option C. Transpiration, option D. Photosynthesis. Correct answer is option D. Photosynthesis. The next question number 88. Warburg's effect is decreased in the rate of photosynthesis at option A low carbon dioxide concentration, option B high oxygen content, option C high carbon dioxide concentration, option D both and B. Correct answer is option B high oxygen content. The next question number 89. Decreased rate of photosynthesis at high concentration of oxygen is referred to as option A Pasteur effect, option B immersion effect, option C Warburg effect, option D Richmond-Lang effect. Correct answer is option C Warburg's effect. The next question number 90. In Wilmot's bubbler, which plant is usually used? Option A Hydrilla, option B Vallisneria, option C Cara, option D Spirogyra. Correct answer is option A Hydrilla. The next question number 91. If carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere is as high as 300 parts per million or a plant is kept in 300 ppm carbon dioxide concentration, what will happen to it? Option A plant will die soon. Option B plant will grow but will not die. Option C plant will show normal photosynthesis. Option D respiration will be greatly decreased. Correct answer is option C plant will show normal photosynthesis. The next question number 92. If light intensity increases, the factor to be limiting in photosynthesis will be option A water, option B temperature, option C carbon dioxide, option D oxygen. Correct answer is option C carbon dioxide. The next question number 93. Intensity of light can be measured by option A lux meter, option B Wilmot's bubbler, option C Ganning's photometer, option D Fermat's photometer. Correct answer is option A lux meter. The next question number 94. The main purpose of Wilmot's bubbler experiment is to demonstrate option A absorption of light by chlorophyll, option B liberation of oxygen during photosynthesis, option C role of enzyme in respiration, option D fixation of carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option B, liberation of oxygen during photosynthesis. The next question number 95. In Wilmer's bubbler, oxygen released during photosynthesis is observed as option A, white precipitate, option B, gas bubble, option C, color change in solution, option D, heat evolution. Correct answer is option B, gas bubbles. The next question number 96. What is the role of sodium bicarbonate in Wilmer's bubbler experiment? Option A, provide light. Option B, source of carbon dioxide. Option C, source of oxygen. Option D, act as an enzyme. Correct answer is option B, source of carbon dioxide. The next question number 97. Which factor can be studied using Wilmer's bubbler experiment? Option A, light intensity. Option B, temperature. Option C, carbon dioxide concentration. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question number 98. Oxygen bubbles in Wilmer's bubbler originated from option A, breakdown of water molecule, option B, breakdown of glucose, option C, decomposition of chlorophyll, option D, respiration of cell. Correct answer is option A, breakdown of water molecule. The next question number 99. Wilmer's bubbler mainly demonstrated which law of photosynthesis? Option A, law of photoperiodism. Option B, Hill's reaction. Option C, photosynthetic evolution of oxygen from water. Option D, Blackman's law of limiting factor. Correct answer is option D, Blackman's law of limiting factor. The next question number 100. If the intensity of light increases in Wilmer's bubbler experiment, what will happen? Option A, rate of bubble formation increases. Option B, rate of bubble formation decreases. Option C, no change in bubble formation. Option D, photosynthesis stop. Correct answer is option A, rate of bubble formation increases. The next question number 101. Which color of light will show maximum bubble release in Wilmer's bubbler? Option A, green. Option B, red. Option C, yellow. Option D, violet. Correct answer is option B, red. These are the some internal factors which affect the rate of photosynthesis. These are age of the leaves, orientation of the leaves, size of the leaves, and orientation of chloroplast, orientation and number of mesophyll cells, amount of chlorophyll, and this is the genetic predispositions and number of leaves and accumulation of carbohydrate. External factors are sunlight, carbon dioxide, temperature, water, and oxygen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.